Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. So today what we're going to be doing is I am going to be changing the governor spring on my 12 valve on the pump. So let me pull the truck in the shop. We're going to get right on it. I'm going to try to get it done pretty quick. I'm going to try to film most of it, and at the end I'll explain everything. So guys, I actually didn't get all of this on footage, but I did get the new spring on there. It just clips on right on there, and then right onto the shaft that goes up through the housing. Now I do have the housing off here. This bolt in the back corner is a pain to get to. You do need a 5mm ball Allen. I can't find it now. Oh, here it is. Here, the ball end, so you can get down into there. And I had to unadvance the timing a little bit, loosen the 3 bolts around the edge, and rock the pump back over. So now that we have that done, I do have a new gasket for the bottom of the top housing, so I'm going to put that on, and I'm going to put this back together. we had a little bit of an issue here. I got it all done. Unfortunately, I did not get footage of everything. Had some camera problems, and I was trying to get it done, but we got it all wrapped up. Had a little problem there, the throttle stuck, but my problem was right here. This piece right here has a little bolt head on the bottom that sits in the top of the linkage, and I hadn't got that on properly, and it was causing the linkage to jam. So we got that fixed up. Now you can see now everything's good. So when you do this, you pull the top hat off, which is easy. Pull the pin out. Pull this linkage off. I mean, it just pops off. Then there's an 8mm Allen on the top of the linkage there. You pull that off. Pull all your linkage off. Your springs. There's the top linkage here that pulls off. Then there's another linkage that goes around the back. Pull that off, and then there's a spring attached, and the spring has a top piece and a bottom, like a spacer on the top and a spacer on the bottom. Pull that off, and then there's 4 Allen head bolts around the pump. I had to untime it, loosen the bolts, rock it down to get to the back one back here. You have to have a Allen that has the ball end on, so otherwise you will never get to it. And then pull those 4 bolts off. You have to pull your AFC line off. There's a 17mm, your return line on the back. You got to pull that off. That comes off. Then you lift it. You have to pull your fuel screw out, back the fuel screw out until you see an O-ring on it. Lift it off, and you're gonna have to push. There's a shaft pushing up through the front here where your linkage goes on. You push that shaft out, and then on the end of the shaft, there's this spring. Here's the old one. There's this spring is attached to that. Goes from the shaft back to some more parts in the pump. I'm not a VE pump expert, so I don't know exactly what all those parts are. I did replace the gasket around the top piece. So yeah, it's actually really straightforward. I'm actually surprised that I didn't have any more problem than it did. I actually finished this up this morning. I had started on it last evening, but we ran into a few problems. I wasn't able to get it done. I started on it too late. I had to go in and eat dinner, but started on it too late. So yeah, we got it done. It's running. I'm going to go let this thing warm up and go take it for a run. Gotta run to town anyhow, so we're gonna see exactly how she does. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. We did get everything done then, wrapped it up. Took a little longer than I expected. If this is your first time, you're probably gonna want maybe some insight from someone that's done it before. I watched some videos, which I'm making a video for it. Now I know how to do it, so and I'm showing you how to do it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.